So if you're like me and you spend way too much time looking through this screen for different things, I think the product that we're going to be talking about today is going to be a massive benefit to you. It's the BigTreeTech Panda Touch. BigTreeTech did send me the product, but they have no say over the video. They have no editorial control. It's all my own opinion. We also will be giving away one of these Panda Touches, so stay tuned to find out more about that. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I was pretty excited to get my hands on this, I'm not gonna lie. It seemed, I already actually ordered one before they offered to send me one, so that's the one that I bought is the one I'm giving away. So this is just a quick overview of the unboxing. So you get like some manuals, there's a sticker in there that I dropped on the ground. You get your actual screen itself, it's a 5-inch screen I believe. You get another little accessories box on the side, it's very nice like packaging. Not something that I'm used to in the 3D printing space. Usually it comes in a white bag from AliExpress, a clear bag I mean. But yeah, this is the kind of contents you get. Next thing I went off and did is just open up this accessories box, see what's inside of it. So when I got it open, the first thing I noticed there was this bracket, there was the charging cable, an Allen key, and a very small packet. We also found a rubber duck, which is, let's be honest, the best part of buying any BigTreeTech product is you get a rubber duck. I ended up giving most of these to my niece, but yeah, always fun to see them. The bracket for mounting it to your P1P or P1S is metal. Comes with some 3M tape for mounting it. I didn't end up using it, but I didn't have the vertical space for it. All my printers on LAC tables, so I didn't have room. The charging cable, which it was even long enough for my setup, so it should be fine for wherever you want to mount it. Allen key, it's nice that they included one. I think most companies now just presume we already have them, which we more than likely already do. This is your screws, just comes in this little white paper packet thing. Yeah, so that's kind of the accessories box. Then went on to looking at the screen. The screen comes nicely wrapped. It's a lot bigger than I thought, to be honest. I know it's only 5 inches or whatever, but like it's heftier than I was expecting for the kind of like job it's going to be doing, I guess. So you can see here from the side, you got your USB port. On the back, then you got your USB-C for charging, your I2C port, and your power switch. It's like a two-part design. So the back of it is the charging pad or the charging stand essentially, and then the front of it is your screen, and you can use it wirelessly. So here it is separated apart into two halves. There's magnets. Yeah, I dropped it. Nice. But you got your magnets. You got your pins there that provide power to the screen. When you have it in kind of wired mode. There's a wireless mode, I guess you could call it, where you're able to take the screen off and walk around with it basically. Yeah, this is your backing plate with your charger on it. We'll have a look at this soon, how I mounted it. So after playing around with this for like a bit, I honestly was kind of blown away with how good it works. Like I didn't expect it to be this good. Like because of the Bambu Labs kind of closed ecosystem, I kind of thought any third-party product is just not going to work that great, and they're going to stop it from working to its best ability. But this thing is great. Like you can see so much information on it, so much clearer than the other screen, which isn't bad, but it's just, this is a lot more informative. It just kind of gives you everything you need to know. So you can see like your printing temps. You can see my bed's at 240, or my nozzle's at 248. My bed's at 64. You can change the Wi-Fi settings, the turn on and off the LED. It gives you like kind of a step, like see there, preparing to print, it says heat bed, preheating, cleaning nozzle tip, all those steps. It lets you know. There's other functions and we'll go through them later on, but like even just those basic information, also having like a really clear pause and stop button, because I've often tried to pause a print and accidentally hit stop, which does my head in. But yeah, some just easy to use features, like, you know, quality of life stuff. So really quickly, I'm just going to talk about the giveaway for the Panda Touch that I have. So it's a new Panda Touch. It's not the one in the video. But the giveaway will be announced on the 1st of May. To be in with a chance to win, you need to be subscribed. And on this video, you need to leave a comment with your favorite 3D printer of 2024 or a 3D printer that isn't out yet that you're really excited about. And the best one will be the winner. I'll pick it myself. Yes, you have till the 1st of May to enter, and yeah, that's it. So that's simple. I'm just keeping it simple because it's my first ever giveaway. So yeah, and wherever you are in the world, it doesn't matter. I'll ship it to you. So yeah, don't worry about that. Okay, I'll go back to the video now. Thanks for watching. So this is a really cool feature that I don't think I've seen anyone else talk about, but in this, on the screen, you can see I have two printers printing. So on the left is my A1 Mini, and on the right is my P1P. And I kind of thought from the other reviews that the master printer was the only one displayed while it was printing, but you can see here all of them are, and it shows you step by step what each printer is doing and like what part of the process it's at. So you can see here my A1 Mini is leveling the bed, and my P1P is preheating. So like, I think that's pretty cool. Like, it's just very small stuff but just makes life so much easier, especially if you're someone like me who has multiple of these printers running 24/7. And then you're able to take it on the go with you as well, with the fact that it's battery powered. Now the battery only lasts half an hour, but you can use it anywhere that your home network is connected to. So you can see here now I'm using it in like its battery mode, which I said a few minutes ago has a half an hour battery life. One of my suggestions going back to BigTreeTech will be to the backing plate that's like the charger. If they could sell that like separately, so you could have maybe one of them set up in your print farm, another one set up in your home office, and that way then you can like kind of charge it wherever you want and bring it with you into different rooms. Because like half an hour is not long when you consider most prints are probably a couple of hours. So yeah, I think that would be kind of a good solution to that, is that if you could charge it in different rooms rather than having to leave them constantly mounted on top of your P1P or wherever you have it mounted. Once you're done then with the Panda Touch, it's just a matter of clipping it back onto its magnetic base. It's as easy as that. So that's been my review of the Panda Touch. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. It all really helps. And yeah, I'm hoping to announce the winner of this giveaway on the 1st. So I'll see you guys then. Thanks, bye.